How to learn coding for beginners. Learning to code can be a daunting task, but it's definitely possible with the right approach. Here are some tips on how to learn coding for beginners. 1. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to become a master programmer overnight. Learning to code takes time and effort. Start by setting small, achievable goals, such as learning the basics of a programming language or completing a simple coding project. 2. Find a learning method that works for you. There are many different ways to learn to code. Some people prefer to take online courses, while others prefer to learn through books, tutorials, or coding bootcamps. Experiment with different methods until you find one that you enjoy and that helps you learn effectively. 3. Practice regularly. The more you practice coding, the better you'll become at it. Try to set aside some time each day to practice coding, even if it's just for 30 minutes. 4. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many online communities and forums where you can ask for help from other programmers. Don't be afraid to reach out for help when you're stuck. 5. Don't give up. Learning to code can be frustrating at times, but it's important to keep at it. Don't give up if you don't understand something right away. Just keep practicing and you'll eventually get it. Here are some additional tips that may help you learn to code. Choose a programming language that interests you. There are many different programming languages to choose from, so it's important to choose one that you're interested in learning. This will make the learning process more enjoyable and you'll be more likely to stick with it. Find a mentor or coding buddy. Having someone to help you learn can be a huge benefit. A mentor can provide guidance and support, and a coding buddy can help you stay motivated. Contribute to open source projects. This is a great way to learn from other programmers and to build your portfolio. Attend coding meetups and conferences. This is a great way to meet other programmers, learn about new technologies, and stay up to date on the latest trends in coding. Learning to code can be a challenging but rewarding experience. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for success. Here are some ways to learn coding for beginners for free. Take online courses. There are many online courses available that teach you how to code. Some of these courses are free, while others require a subscription. Some popular free online coding courses include Code Academy, Free Code Camp, Khan Academy, Read Books. There are many books available that teach you how to code. Some of these books are free, while others require a purchase. Some popular free coding books include Learn Python the Hard Way, Head First Java, The Pragmatic Programmer, Watch Tutorials. There are many tutorials available online that teach you how to code. Some of these tutorials are free, while others require a subscription. Some popular free coding tutorials include W3 Schools, Tutorials Point, Code.org, Join Online Communities. There are many online communities where you can learn how to code. Some of these communities are free, while others require a membership. Some popular free coding communities include Stack Overflow, Reddit, GitHub. By following these tips, you can learn to code for free. 2-1. There are many great books to learn coding for beginners. Here are a few of the most popular and well-respected options. Learn Python the Hard Way by Zed Shaw is a popular book that teaches the basics of Python programming in a clear and concise way. Head First Java by Paul Berry is a fun and engaging book that teaches the basics of Java programming in a way that is easy to understand. The Pragmatic Programmer by Andrew Hunt and David Thomas is a classic book that teaches the fundamentals of software development. Clean Code by Robert C. Martin is a book that teaches how to write code that is clear, concise, and easy to understand. Code Complete by Steve McConnell is a comprehensive book that covers all aspects of software development, including coding. These are just a few of the many great books that are available to help you learn coding. The best book for you will depend on your learning style and interests. 2-2. Here are some more great books to learn coding for beginners. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swayegard is a great book for beginners who want to learn how to use Python to automate tasks. JavaScript, The Definitive Guide by David Flanagan is a comprehensive book that covers all aspects of JavaScript programming. Eloquent JavaScript by Marijan Haberbeck is a modern and approachable book that teaches the fundamentals of JavaScript programming. Learning HTML and CSS by John Duckett is a great book for beginners who want to learn how to create web pages. The Missing Semester of CS by Jeff Erickson is a great book for beginners who want to learn the fundamentals of computer science. 2-3. Here are some more great books to learn coding for beginners. Think Like a Programmer, An Introduction to Creative Problem Solving by B. Anton Sproul is a great book for beginners who want to learn how to think like a programmer. The Big Book of Small Python Projects by Al Swayegard is a great book for beginners who want to learn how to build small Python projects. Python Crash Course, 2nd edition by Eric Mathis is a great book for beginners who want to learn Python programming. Learning C++ through Game Programming by Michael Dawson is a great book for beginners who want to learn C++ programming by building games. The Self-Taught Programmer, The Definitive Guide to Programming Professionally by Corey Althoff is a great book for beginners who want to learn how to become a professional programmer. I hope this helps.